Okay, this is past the birthers' questions. This is just plain old common sense. No political agendas for either side. Just common knowledge that citizens of a country, and especially American citizens who even know that Andrew Jackson's wife smoked a corncob pipe and was accused of adultery, or that Lincoln never went to school, or Kennedy wore a back brace, or Truman played the piano. Good grief, we are Americans. We are known for our humanitarian interests and caring about our fellow man. We care, but none of us know one single humanizing fact about the history of our own president. Honestly, and this is a personal thing, but it's niggled me for ages that no one who ever dated ever showed up. The simple fact of his charisma that caused the women to be drawn to him so obviously during his campaign looks like some lady would not have missed the opportunity. We all know about JFK's magnetism. McCain was no monk. Palin's courtship and even her athletic prowess were probed. Biden's aneurysms are no secret. Look at Cheney and Clinton. We all know about their heart problems, and certainly speaking of the opposite sex, how could I have left out Wild Bill before or during the White House? Not one lady has stepped up and said, "He was so shy," or "What a great dancer." Now, look at the rest of this. No classmates, not even the recorder for the Columbia class notes ever heard of him. I just don't know about this fellow. Who was the best man at his wedding? Start there, then check groomsmen. Then get the footage of the graduation ceremony. Has anyone talked to the professors? It is odd that no one is bragging that they knew him or taught him or lived with him. When did he meet Michelle, and how? Are there photos there? Every president gives to the public all their photos, etc. for their library. What has he released? And who in hell voted for him in the most popular man in 2010? Does this make you wonder? Ever wonder why no one ever came forward from President Obama's past saying they knew him, attended school with him, was his friend? Not one single person has ever come forward from his past. Very, very strange. This should really be a cause for some great concern to those who voted for him. You may have elected an unqualified, inexperienced shadow man. Did you see a picture called the Manchurian Candidate? Let's face it, as insignificant as we all are, someone whom we went to school with remembers our name or face. Someone remembers we were the clown, or the dork, or the brain, or the quiet one, or the bully, or something about us. George Stephanopoulos of ABC News said the same during the 2008 campaign. He questions why no one has acknowledged the president was in their classroom, or ate in the same cafeteria, or made impromptu speeches on campus. Stephanopoulos also was a classmate of Obama at Columbia, the class of 1984. He says he's never had a single class with him. While he is such a great orator, why doesn't anyone in Obama's college class remember him? And why won't he allow Columbia to release his records? Because nobody remembers Obama at Columbia. Looking for evidence of Obama's past, Fox News contacted 400 Columbia University students from the period when Obama claims to have been there, but none remembered him. Wayne Allen Root was, like Obama, a political science major at Columbia who also graduated in 1983. In 2008, Root says of Obama, "I don't know a single person at Columbia that knew him, and they all know me. I don't have a classmate who ever knew Barack Obama at Columbia. Ever. Nobody recalls him." Root adds that he was also, like Obama, class of 83 political science, pre-law, and says, "You can't get more exact or closer than that. Never met him in my life. Don't know anyone who ever met him. at the class reunion, our 20th reunion 5 years ago, who was asked to be the speaker of the class? Me. No one ever heard of Barak. And 5 years ago, nobody even knew who he was. The guy who writes the class notes, who's kind of the, as we say in New York, the macha, who knows everybody, has yet to find a person, a human, who ever met him. Obama's photograph does not appear in the school's yearbook, and Obama consistently declines requests to talk about his years at Columbia, provide school records, or provide the name of any former classmates or friends whilst at Columbia. Note: Root graduated as valedictorian from his high school, Thornton Donovan School, then graduated from Columbia University in 1983 as a political science major in the same class in which Barack Hussein Obama states he was. Some other interesting questions. Why was Obama's law license inactivated in 2002? Why was Michelle's law license inactivated by court order? It is circulating that, according to the US Census, there is only one Barack Obama, but 27 social security numbers and over 80 aliases. What? The social security number he uses now originated in Connecticut, where he is never reported to have lived. No wonder all his records are sealed. Somewhere, someone had to know him in school before he reorganized Chicago and burst upon the scene at the 2004 Democratic Convention and made us all swoon with his charm, poise, and speaking pizzazz.